Hi, this is Nadia from LifterLMS, and in this video, I'll discuss the difference between courses and memberships. In LifterLMS, we offer courses and memberships functionality for free. There is a couple of difference between membership and course, and in this video, I'll show you all the details. A course includes content and instructor block, difficulties levels, and with access plan. With the access plan, people can enroll in your courses. You can add multiple access plan to a course. Also, a course includes a course syllabus, where each lesson and section name will be visible. When someone will enroll in this course, they will get access to all the course content. Also on the right side, we have the course sidebar. So a course sidebar that helps access each lesson easily. You can access all the lessons easily and you can complete the lesson. From the back end, you can create courses. And LifterLMS offers a course builder. So with the help of course builder, you can manage all your course content. With the help of course builder, you can add assignment, quiz, you can add video, audio, you can add prerequisite, trip, and all other settings with the help of course builder. So also you can modify the course sales page from the course backend. If you click on edit, you will be able to modify the course sales page. So here you can add your sales content, you can add multiple types of blocks and all other stuff. Also on the right side, we have some settings. From the right side, you can add featured image, you can add course categories, course tags, and all the things. Also, we have course option, and finally, we have the access plans. We already have tutorial how to create access plan and all the details about access plan. So this is how you can manage the course, and you can sell a specific course or individual course, or you can sell each course individually to your students. They can enroll in your specific course and they will be able to access all the course content. Now we will discuss about memberships. So the membership's a bit different from course. So with the help of membership feature, you can sell course bundle. For example, if you want to sell multiple courses together, that time membership feature is the best choice. So here you can add the membership sales content as like the course content. And here we have the membership access plan. So the special thing is the auto enrollment, where you can add multiple courses. So basically, when someone will enroll to your membership, they will get auto enrolled to these specific courses. So this is how you can sell course bundle with the help of membership feature. Also, you can restrict your page with the memberships option. For example, I have a course and I want that only specific memberships member will be able to access that page. That time the membership feature will work. So here I have a page and I will restrict this page. So on the right side, if we scroll down a bit, here we have this restrict this page option. So if I enable this, I can add a specific memberships. So only that specific memberships member will be able to access this course page content, not the other users or other students. So this is the main difference of memberships, and I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.